So we started with the moisturizer and then we're going in with the primer. This is our foundation primer. It has SPF. It's one of our best selling products. It smooths. Then we're going to go on to our base and we're starting with CC cream. Now I chose CC cream because it is an easy out the door option without the makeup look. It's going to give you flawless looking coverage, but natural. It has 8 skin loving benefits, protects, it has SPF, it brightens, has special properties to give you luminosity. It's going to color correct. That's what a CC cream does. It color corrects and evens out your skin tone. It also minimizes redness. So if you have rosacea, this product is going to work for you. It's hydrating. It hydrates your skin without giving you that overly greasy feeling. It's going to reduce the signs of aging. Yes, it has skin loving benefits. This product was made like a foundation but acts like skincare. So now I'm blending it with a brush. You saw me put it on with one foundation blush and now I'm blending out with this one, but you don't have to. You can totally use your fingers because it's just that easy. And it contains antioxidants that help defend your skin against skin damaging free radicals. Moving on to our concealer. Another one of our best selling products in the color light bronze, and I'm applying it everywhere that you apply concealer, under the eyes, above your forehead. I love the Mary Kay blending sponge because it features an easy to grip design with dual edges. Mary Kay concealer I love. It is not overly runny. The coverage. And it's foil. And I'm continuing to blend out the concealer with the sponge. Going in with the Mary Kay pressed powder, I'm going to go ahead and put it everywhere I put the concealer, and I use this just to smooth it out. I do this before setting. Now going in with the loose powder, I'm going to set everywhere that I put the concealer. So under the jawline, I'm going to go up under my eyes, I'm going to come down the nose, over the forehead, everywhere I put the concealer. Using the Real Techniques setting brush, I'm going to go ahead and swipe away all of that loose powder. I only bake for 2 minutes tops, just enough to set it. Now I'm going to tackle these brows. Okay, so I have to admit, it just all went left. So you're going to have to tune in for another video when I demonstrate how to do a natural looking brow. See? Mayhem. Going into that same loose powder, I am going to set the concealer on my eyes and get ready for eye color. Going into my Warm Hues eye palette. Using a big fluffy brush, we're going to go ahead and apply the Dream Big brown color all over the lid. You're going to take the brush and hold it at the bottom where you have the least amount of pressure and go back and forth in a windshield wiping sweeping motion. This is going to give you a nice wash of color without having to blend out edges, and then we're going to flick our wrist in the end for a nice lifted look. We're going to go back into that Dream Big brown color, taking the dome brush, and we're going to use it as an eyeliner and go under the eye, completing the circle of color. Then we're going to pop a little shimmer in the middle of the eye. What this does is it opens up the eye. And using your finger, we're just going to dip right into the bronze color and go right down the center of your lid. Easy peasy. Next, we're going to warm up the face with bronzer. Start from the temples, and you're going to make a 3. Hitting the planes of your forehead, coming on down to the hollows of your cheek, coming down your ear, starting at the forehead, coming up under the shadow. Some more. I love bronzer because it's an all-in-one. If you didn't have time for color, you could just totally use this as your blush and be done. But if you want a little bit more color, you could totally use blush. I'm using the Mary Kay Lip and Cheek. It's double duty beauty, meaning you can use it for cheek color, eye color, lip color, putting the peach shimmer as highlighter. Going back into the Warm Hues palette, I'm going to reach for that Golden Possibilities eye color, and I'm going to use it as highlighter to the high points of my cheek. I'm going to go down the center of my face, and I'm just going to highlight those areas. Now I'm going to eyeline with a new Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner in brown. I recommend brown for beginners because it's user friendly. It's almost goof proof. Black sometimes is a little harsh, especially as we age, but brown, can't go wrong with it. It's beautiful on all skin tones. Also, deep nude lip liner. Another beautiful brown. Going back into that Mary Kay Lip and Cheek, I'm going to go with Peach Shimmer, the same color I used to highlight my cheeks. We're talking double duty beauty. And I am loving this lip combo. Chef's kiss. I'm going to top it off with Copper Oral Lip Gloss because, again, we love a little shimmer. Started on the eyes now. We're going to prime the lashes for mascara, honey. We're going in with the Lash Intensity Mascara by Mary Kay, one of my favorite all-time mascaras. The wand here, the wand. The story is in the wand, honey. But the formula takes no back seat. Honey, it lengthens, it thickens. It's the blackest black ever. You see that wand? Yes. You see, it's multi-directional. You can use a tip and brush them out. You use the base to get you some liner without having to tight line. What? Look at that. It's top lining without having to top line or line the top lid. Easy peasy. Now I'm setting the face with pressed powder. Why? Because it's easy. I could just pop it in my purse, less mess. And then I'm going to set it with the Mary Kay by Scandinavia finishing spray for an all-day hold. All done. Like and subscribe for more tips.